Heading back to the office after an extended time at home can be tough at both ends of the leash. Our dogs crave being close to us. We call them companion animals for a reason. And a change in schedule that results in them being home alone for longer periods of time can have an impact on their personality, as well as their mental health. If your daily circumstance is changing, it's likely your dog will feel the impact of it as well. Dogs have the same emotional complexity as human toddlers, which means that they are capable of happiness, sadness, jealousy, anger, and yes, loneliness. Signs of loneliness in dogs. Dog laying on a bed showing signs of loneliness. The following behaviors are potential lonely dog symptoms that might manifest individually, or in a combination of behaviors. Some responses might be an indication of an underlying health problem, like skipping meals, so consider a veterinary checkup to rule out illness if you notice these signs. General depression. Believe it or not, dogs can suffer from depression. It's likely that lonely dogs also feel depressed. The behaviors that indicate dog loneliness are closely related to depressive behaviors, like withdrawal and lethargy. Pacing. If your dog paces or shows other signs of pre-departure stress as you prepare to leave the house, this could be a sign of isolation distress or separation anxiety. Destructiveness. Dogs that are home alone might find ways to keep themselves occupied, like chewing up pillows, shoes, and remotes. Clinginess. You might find that your dog wants to be by your side more than usual, even waking up from a sound sleep to follow if you leave the room. Change in play style. Lonely dogs might be less interested in playing the games they used to love. Sleep changes. Dogs that feel lonely might sleep more than usual, or might choose to sleep in unusual spots like in a closet. Not eating. Dog refusing a treat because of loneliness. A lonely dog might not have an appetite and could even skip treats. Not eating can also be a sign of many medical conditions, so make sure to discuss this with your veterinarian if you notice it. Vocalization. Dogs use their voice to communicate. And a lonely dog might bark, whine, or cry when left alone. How to prevent loneliness in dogs? Dog laying in dog bed looking out at window for owner showing signs of loneliness. Dog parents should help their canine companion prepare by practicing their upcoming schedule. Go through an abbreviated version of your typical departure routine. Get dressed, pack a lunch, and grab your bag. Then leave the house for 30 minutes to an hour. Continue this preparation and departure process in the weeks prior to going back, gradually increasing the length of time you're away from the house. Keep your dog active. Increasing your pup's exercise regime can help put a dent in dog loneliness as well, but it helps to be creative. Dog playing with a puzzle toy. Try interactive toys. Invest in busy toys to give your dog when you have to leave him home alone. Hard rubber toys that can be stuffed with goodies are an excellent way to give your dog something to focus on while you're gone. If you're often away, consider hiring someone to check in on your dog or take them for a walk. Keep in mind that dogs exhibiting behaviors associated with loneliness might be suffering from an undiagnosed health issue. So scheduling a wellness check can help to rule out any more serious problems. By recognizing these signs and taking proactive measures, you can help ensure your dog remains happy and emotionally healthy, preventing loneliness from affecting their quality of life.